If you want to get the really unique and awesome look of airbrushing on your nails, then you need a high quality airbrush paint that requires no dilution. I'm Gina with WTI, and I did not think that using an airbrush paint would be so easy until I used this one that I got from SAVILAND. For one thing, these paints are gorgeous. There's no graininess, no cloudiness. They go on so smooth. And part of that is because I use them with the right tool, the SAVILAND Airbrush Kit. These are plant-based, which means that they don't have a really awful smell, and the colors are bright and brilliant. So I am new to airbrushing. You can see my technique needs some work, but I'm already impressed with how well it looks, even though I just started. When you are using the piercing tool in order to open the bottles, I'd recommend having a napkin around the top because they do spurt out a little bit, and that'll help cut down on any messes. Overall, I'm so impressed by the ease of using these and how amazing they look. And that's my point of view.